Does not being able to correctly balance cause delays on the production line? Do you have any unforeseen quality or material supply issues that affect your workflow and generate waste? Are you not able to produce different things at the same time, and each time you change the product model, there is a halt in production? Are you looking to significantly increase the efficiency and flexibility of your factory? Over 30 years of experience in improving productivity has led us to create APPRODUCTIVITY 4.0, a program that allows you to analyze and improve your production processes using the advantages that Lean has to offer. With APPRODUCTIVITY 4.0, we make your factory more flexible, because you can produce different products at the same time and in smaller quantities. Our tool defines how things should work in the most efficient way possible with the resources you already have. And it helps you achieve high productivity even for small batches, an increase in the variety of pieces to be manufactured simultaneously, reduce waste caused by inefficiencies, and an improvement in operating costs. This is all contextualized in a lean environment of continuous improvement and Industry 4.0, eliminating everything that does not add value, analyzing what happens and reacting in real time. The balancing workloads or line balancing module provides solutions to all production models: single product lines, multi or mixed product lines, cells, multi-operator stations with cycles of several hours. With APPRODUCTIVITY 4.0, your factory is more flexible and more productive. Because you have more added value, you are more competitive. With APPRODUCTIVITY 4.0, you earn more money.